In this lesson, I'm going to be going over some of the most important keyboard shortcuts in Canva. These are going to help you make your process a lot faster when working on a project. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see here, I have my page here. So the first one I want to show you is going to be how to add a rectangle on your page here. So you're going to use the letter R on your keyboard. So hit that, and there you go. Now we have a rectangle here. Now you can adjust this by moving it around. Now the next one is going to be how to add a circle. So you're going to go ahead and hit the letter C on the keyboard. There we go. Now we have a C on here a circle that we can adjust on here. Now the next one is going to be how to add text. You're going to go ahead and hit T on the keyboard. T. There we go. Now we have a text box that we can use to start adding our text on here, right? You can move this around. You can change this. And the last one is going to be how to add a line. You're going to hit the letter L on the keyboard. Hit that. There we go. Now we have a line on here. So these are some of the, easiest shortcuts and most important really, because a lot of people use these objects when when working on a project. So it'd be a lot easier if you can just hit a keyboard shortcut in order to bring that up on your project and get it over with. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next lesson.